Hey everyone, today we're at Aurora Toyota and we have a very exciting vehicle for you. This is the all-new 2022 Corolla Cross. Check it out, it's here. Let's get a little 360 view. And then the back. There's the badging. Very exciting. This is the base model, but it's still a super exciting vehicle. Brand new car to the Toyota lineup. Let's get into it. So first of all, very exciting to announce that not only is this car available in front wheel drive, but you can also get all wheel drive, which we know is an amazing feature that we need in the wintertime. Let's check out the back seat. So see here, so much room. It really, the right interior really opens up the vehicle, making it look so much bigger. We love it. My other favorite feature, obviously, we have to look at the trunk. It's kind of next level for Corolla. This is the trunk. You can see lots of space, and also we have to mention how lifted this car is compared to the Corolla. It is a whole new vehicle. It's really awesome. So we're inside the vehicle now. Let's turn it on. The sun is shining today. There's the screen. We have the heated seats here, which is great. There's the center console. There's some cup holders there. It's the passenger side. And again, the back seat. I just love this interior. It's so nice. Yeah, that's the Corolla Cross. So that's it. This is the 2022 Corolla Cross. If you want to come take one of these cars for a test drive, we're getting in a couple more. This one is sold, but we should be getting more soon. Or if you have any questions about any Toyota, please come see us at Aurora Toyota. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.